How to add thumbnail to YouTube video on mobile. Hello everyone, I am Vishakha and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to add thumbnail to YouTube videos on mobile, firstly open App Store and search for YouTube and make sure the app is updated to its latest version for the features to work smoothly. Now open the YouTube application on your device. Tap on the plus symbol in the bottom center of your screen. You will see the option for upload a video. So go ahead and upload a video in which you wanted to add thumbnail in. Once you have selected the video, you will be led to this kind of interface. Tap on the little picture-like icon you see on the top left of your screen. You will need to verify your account before you add a custom thumbnail to your video. So go ahead and verify your account with the phone number. Once done, select the image you want to add as thumbnail, resize the image if required, and then tap on Select. You can see the thumbnail is added successfully. Now tap on Next and then tap on Upload Video, and with this the thumbnail of your choice will be added to YouTube video. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.